Hello students, today we discuss about the 9th standard English first lesson, The Enchanted Pole, written by C. Rajagopalachari. In this lesson, we learned about the 5 brothers. They told them the Pandavas. In the lesson, the enchanted pole. Enchanted means under a magic spell. Enchanted means under a magic spell. Pool means a small area of water. So that small area of water under a magic spell, that is the enchanted pole, written by C. Rajagopalachari. Now about the author. Open your textbook, page number 22. About the author. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji, was a great patriot. So he was popularly known as Rajaji, and he was a great patriot and a great politician and also a thinker. He wrote many books like Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, Ramayana and Mahabharata. In this extract or in this lesson adopted from a Mahabharata. In the Mahabharata, the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice to the Kauravas. So the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice. Dice means kannadalli pagade anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, pagade ಆಟ ಅಂತ. And had lived in forest for 12 years. During this period they had to constantly move from place to place. In this period for 12 years they moved constantly, means always moved from place to place for safety and to meet their daily needs. So on that 12 years the Pandava brothers always moved for search for the safety and the daily needs. One day in the 12th year, the Pandava brothers wandered deep into the forest to pursuit of a deer. So one day, the 12th year, the Pandava brothers to walk deep into the forest because of search of a deer. This is the introduction. Now the lesson will continue. We loudly read the lesson. You listen carefully. The sun was hot overhead, and the 5 brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. Yudhishthira sat down under a tree to rest and said to Nakula, "Brother, climb that tree and see whether there is any pool or a river nearby." Nakula climbed the tree, looked around and said, "At a little distance I see water plants and cranes. There must certainly be water there." Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad when he got to the place and saw that there was a pool. He was very thirsty himself and so thought of quenching his thirst first before taking water in the quiver for his brothers. But no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water, he heard a voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, do not drink. This pool belongs to me. O son of Madri, answer my questions and then drink the water. Nakula was surprised but carried away by his insatiable thirst, and heedless of the warning, he knelt down and began to drink the water. At once he began to feel terribly drowsy, and he fell down to all appearance dead. When Nakula did not return for a long time, Yudhishthira sent Sahadeva to see what the matter was. Sahadeva also ignored the warning. He drank the water and at once dropped down. See whether the brothers had met an danger. Arjuna went swiftly. He saw his brothers lying dead near the pool. Heartbroken with grief, he wanted to avenge their deaths. However, he too was overwhelmed by monster's thirst, which compelled him towards the fatal pool. So, these three paragraphs, you find the new words. You find the new words. Yes, you told some new words. So, weary, thirsty, sat down, to fetch, quench, weaver, transparent, and etc. So now we learn this lesson. The sun was hot overhead. The sun was hot overhead, and the five brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. So five brothers. So who was the five brothers? Like Pandavas: Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. You watch many TVs in serial like Star Savarnadaya, Mahabharata. So you watch that serial. So you find out the five brothers, what did they do. So the five brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. So weary means tired. They was very tired because they go to the deep into the forest for search or follow to the deer. That's why they were very tired and thirsty. Thirsty means feeling to drink. So they were very feeling to drink means bayariki. Yudhishthira sank down under a tree because of they were very tired. They sank down means sat down under the tree and take a rest and said to Nakula. So what he said? Brother, climb that tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby. So Yudhishthira told his youngest brother Nakula, climb that tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby because they were very thirsty. Nakula climbed the tree, looked around. So when Yudhishthira told Nakula, Nakula go to and climbed that tree and looked around and said, at a little distance, far away, that little distance, I see water plants and cranes. I see water plants and cranes means some birds. There must be certainly to be water there because of where that the water plants and cranes there must be a water. That's why Nakula told his brother Yudhishthira, some little distance I saw some plants and cranes. Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. So to fetch means to bring. So when Nakula told him there is some little distance there is something a water. So Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad when he got to the place. So when Nakula reached that place, he was very happy. He was very glad. Glad means happy. He was very happy because he saw that there was a pool. He was very thirsty. He was also very thirsty himself, and so thought of quenching his thirst first. Quench means to satisfy. What is satisfied? Feeling to drink. So he drank the water and satisfied his thirst first, and water in the quiver for his brothers. So after they get some water to their 4 brothers. But no sooner did he dip his hand. When he dipped his hand in the transparent water, means clear water. Transparent means clear. In that clear water, he dipped his hand. He heard a voice. When he dipped his hand, he heard a voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, do not drink. This pool belongs to me. O son of Madri, answer my questions and then drink the water." This voice, unseen voice, invisible voice, he heard when he drank the water. So, what did it say? "O son of Madri," or "Stop, Nakula, do not drink. You can't drink. You do not drink that water because that pool belongs to me. You first answer my questions and then you drink the water." Nakula was surprised to heard that voice. He was very surprised, but carried away. Deep thirsty, because of he was very thirsty by his intense thirst. Intense means he was very thirsty. And heedless of the warning. So he noticed that warning. He knelt down and began to drink the water. He not listened that voice. He knelt down and began to drink the water. At once he began to feel terribly drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy. When he drank the water, he was terribly sleepy feeling. Terribly drowsy, and he fell down to all appearance dead. Appearance dead means to be dead. When he drank the water, he was terribly drowsy and fell down. When Nakula not returned for a long time, Yudhishthira sent him to bring the water, but Nakula did not return for a long time. Yudhishthira sent Sahadeva to see what the matter was, because of the Nakula did not return back. That's why he sent the another brother Sahadeva. Sahadeva also ignored the warning. When Sahadeva reached the pole, he heard same voice, and because he was also very thirsty, so he ignored the warning. He drank the water, same as Nakula do. He also drank the water and at once dropped down. When Sahadeva go to pole and drank the water, and he was also fell down or fall down near the pool. When Sahadeva too failed to return, Nakula did not return, then Sahadeva go to there, and Sahadeva also did not return. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna to see whether the brothers had met with any danger, because of Nakula and Sahadeva did not return back. That's why they came very danger on that place. That's why Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna. Arjuna went swiftly. Swiftly means very fastly. He very fast go to there. He saw his brothers lying dead near the pool. Because of they did not ignore the voice, they go to drink the water and appearance to dead. That brothers had seen the Arjuna. Arjuna's heart broken with grief. Arjuna's heart broken with grief. He was feeling very sad because of their brother fell down near the pool. He wanted to avenge their deaths. So he wanted to avenge means punish somebody who caused that situation on that person. They had to be punished. That's why he was avenged to their deaths. However, he too was overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means strong emotion. Which is emotion? He was also very thirsty and he was also very tired. He was also able to drink the water. So that strong overwhelmed by the monster's thirst, which compelled him towards the fatal pool. So he was also very thirsty. So he was also forcefully go to the pool and drank the water. He drank to try to drink the water. So this is the 3 paragraph. So tomorrow we will continue for further lessons. Thank you.